backyard right now. This is unfinished fence, but the rest of our fence is finished. Anyways, I'm trying out a little craft today where I'm taking regular Terra Cotta planters and turning them into kind of like antiqued, rustic looking planters. I found this craft on Pinterest, I think it was, or some blog, and so I wanted to try it out. I had some planters that I bought from Joann Fabrics not too long ago, but they don't have them anymore, so kind of wanted to recreate the look of those. So we'll see how it turns out at the end, but I just thought this would be kind of like a fun, quick little video that I could do, show you what I'm doing. It's Sunday, and usually Sundays I just spend at home, so I'm at home trying out this little craft. So I'll take you along and we'll see how they turn out. Okay, so apparently all you need is a bucket of water, and you're gonna put some of the paint inside, and then some white chalk paint. I just got this at Joann Fabrics. And then you need your Terra Cotta planters, some sandpaper, and a paintbrush, obviously. So I'm gonna practice first on these like mini planters just to see if it works, and then if it does, I'm gonna use the big ones that I picked up at IKEA. And what I'm gonna do is put them in little planter holders all along this fence here, and then put some cute little plants in them. Okay, so the tutorial said to add a spoonful of the white chalk paint into your bucket of water, and so I put in probably, I didn't measure it out really, but I probably put in a quarter or a third of a cup of the paint, and you can see it's like, I don't know that you can see that necessarily, but it's pretty white. I wanted to put in more than maybe I needed just in case, so now I'm just gonna paint my flower pot, let it dry a little bit, and then dip it in. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take my paint and unscrew it, because I just moved over here. I'm gonna take my pot and I'm just gonna paint. Then I'm going to take the pot and dip it in the water, completely submerge it actually, and so that it gets a little bit wet. And then while it's wet, take your sandpaper and then just sand over some of the paint pieces. One last time, I'm just gonna dip it and just kind of let it dry. If there's any other pieces I think need to go back over, I'll do that, which there are some, but it actually will look pretty good when it's dry. There's one. There's the others.